So I'm gonna be making water slime, and my friend, which owns the channel, is filming. That is why I'm gonna be the one, like, doing all the stuff. So today we're gonna make water slime. So you have to have clear glue and a little bit of water here. And then we're gonna take some baking soda. And then we're gonna have this little tool. Measure it out a little. And then we're gonna put that away. Then we're gonna keep mixing. Just like this. So it's all completely white. So you might need a different color bowl than white. But sadly I'm using white, but that's okay. Then we're gonna take some contact solution. Pour a large amount of that in. It sounds like it's weaving. And then we're gonna be mixing. See how it's turning into slime? It's a little sticky, so, well, to the chopsticks. And yeah, I'm just using one chopstick because it's okay. Then when you're ready, you can take the slime off of anything that you were using and then go in with your hands. It's very easy to make. Homemade slime is so fun to make. But make sure you always have an adult when you're making slime because there is chemicals in this. Mine isn't that watery because we need a little bit more water, but that's fine. There's all sorts of levels of how much is watery-ish. So I'm gonna put the bowl away. Then we're gonna dye the slime with, if you use nail polish, which I only have, it will be very smelly, but this is the only, like, sort of thing I have to dye it. So let me find a cute color, and I think I found a cute color. Oh. But since I'm gonna make a 2-colored slime, I'm gonna cut it in half. Wait. So I'm gonna put this here. And then we're gonna do that. And then fold, fold, fold. Then mix, mix, mix and mix. So we have a cute baby pink. So you like the color, guys? I hope you do. And now we're going to the other color, slime. We're gonna dye it purple. What? It sounds weird. Okay, so if you want a color, you can use markers or gel dye or pigment, food coloring, all that sorts of stuff. So we got some cute colors going on. But now I'm gonna make them different textures. So this one is gonna be what we already have. I might need some contact lens solution. See this? You can pick it up anywhere. Like literally, you can buy it from Target, somewhere, I don't know. But you can buy it wherever. Make sure they don't touch. I'm gonna put that much in first. So with this, if you want a different texture like Cloudo, you can use instant snow, but my instant snow that I have, it doesn't really work for me. I don't know why. Yeah, I labeled it because some can make different textures. And see how it got a little bigger, like it got a little bigger. Okay. It still has the jiggle, but see how it looks a little different. Okay. Sometimes I would even put a second amount of it. Like a second amount. Okay. We have a nice theme going on so far. Okay, that's all done. So, you see this purple slime? It's just gonna stay how it is right now. But this is gonna be a 2 texture and 2 colored slime. So, I also brought Orbeez because like they're fun to put in slime. I've never really done it, but I've seen people do it. And now we're gonna add some charms. So like little sprinkle charms. Make sure that they're not real stuff, or that would be bad. Because I think it would probably do something bad to it. It'll also smell like sprinkles. And I do not have scissors. How will I get this open? I don't know. I don't think I have scissors. Hold on, guys. Mistake. But see these? This is what I'm using. Oh, now I got scissors. Just got scissors. We're gonna add a little to this. Fold it, stretch it, play with it. See, it's like a funfetti slime, or like birthday slime. Now next, we're gonna add the same stuff to this one. Fold, play with it, stretch it. And then we got some beautiful slime. Then I need a container. And I don't have one, but that's okay. That is why I'm gonna use the container we used for this. So I'm gonna make a swirl like that. So we have that. We're gonna top it off with some more. I don't know why, but the more charms you add, the more, the better. And see, we have a beautiful slime. Like and subscribe and comment down, please. It would help a lot. Thanks. Bye.
Also, this is a teaspoon, just to tell you.